Welcome to Nature's Melange to explore a stunning bird listed in one of the IUCN Red List categories. The Asian woolly-necked stork, scientifically known as Ciconia episcopus, is a large wading bird from the stork family Ciconidae. It is found across a broad range of habitats, including marshes, agricultural land, and freshwater wetlands throughout South Asia and Southeast Asia, with a significant portion of its population concentrated in India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Myanmar, Thailand, and Indonesia. The species tends to breed either alone or in small, loose groups. Standing about 90 centimeters tall, the woolly-necked stork features a striking black plumage with a distinct white fluffy neck that gives the bird its name. Its deep crimson or wine red eyes are another distinctive feature. Currently, the species is classified as near threatened by the IUCN. In the present video, the species is showcased from Koribari near Rajarhat, Kolkata, West Bengal, India. Thank you for watching.